Hello and welcome to the Silver River Chairs channel. We wanted to take a minute and talk about our lace cane tools that we provide for in-person classes and are available for purchase for those of you doing online classes. 24 official caning pegs, an assortment of twist ties, golf tees, 24 of those as well, Fritz bottle, a set of 6 caning combs, tweezers, 6-inch ruler, a cane sizing chart, threading tool, caning needle, also known as a steamer, a rasp, which is 4-sided, and a set of 4 mini picks, multiple configurations, hobby knife, utility knife, bent nose pliers, side snips, and a variety of towels, the materials, and a small crock pot with a warm setting. The full toolkits are available for purchase, or you can assemble your own minimalist toolkit. At the bare minimum, you'll want to have caning pegs, a straight awl, and some kind of a cutting device. So for our in-person class takers, we are providing the material as well as the skills to size your chair. The size of the material matters a lot. It varies by 1/4 of a millimeter. That's where your handy dandy sizing chart comes in. If you are taking an online class or watching YouTube videos, check with your supplier. If that happens to be us, then we can help you out. But there are a lot of great companies out there providing materials. Our full lace cane toolkit does include all of these tools mentioned in a great box. Add-ons include small crock pot with a warm setting, ideas for the experienced caner, both 1 and 2, that includes alternate patterns, the caner's handbook from Jim White S. out in Berkeley, chair seating, and this is an English book that we are exclusively selling in the spiral bound format. Thank you for watching the Silver River Chairs channel. If you are interested in ordering a toolkit, both in full or partial, give us a call. You can visit us on our website at www.silverriverchairs.com. And you can follow us on Instagram at Silver River Chairs. And here at Silver River, we encourage everyone to fix their own chairs. Don't be scared. You can do it.
She's like, I know there's no truth.